Today we will talk about rumors around the iPad mini 6, as we're calling it, have been relatively quiet lately, but a redesigned compact iPad is still expected to make an appearance this year, likely around the fall when a new iPhone is also tipped to be revealed. Such a redesign is expected to yield an iPad mini that's dramatically different to the past 5 generations of smaller Apple tablet. The iPad mini 6 is expected to have slimmer bezels, and thus a larger display in the same chassis footprint, as well as a new form of Touch ID, likely integrated into the fingerprint scanner like that on the latest iPad Air. iPad mini 6 latest news. New but unofficial renders of the iPad mini 6 have shown off a suite of potential colors and showcase the big upgrades we are expecting from the compact tablet. Video of what is claimed to be an aluminum mold of the Mini 6 give further weight to the idea that Apple's smallest tablet will get a big redesign. A new rumor has the iPad mini 6 tipped to come with a mini LED display, a bit like the current 12.9-inch iPad Pro. iPad mini 6 rumored release date and price. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has the iPad mini 6 tipped to be released this fall, claiming it should be a go. The fall tend to be a big launch period for Apple, with the iPhone 13 expected to be revealed around September or October, so a fall reveal for a new iPad mini wouldn't be a shocking surprise. Another rumor from DigiTrends claims Apple will be holding multiple launch events in September, with a new iPad supposedly a highlight. The iPad mini 6 isn't referenced in the report, but if a new standard iPad is on the way, it would make sense for the Mini 6 to be showcased at the same time. The iPad mini 6 will likely keep the $399 price we see in its predecessor. Apple has generally kept its tablets at the same price over the years, and the iPad mini starts with 64 gigabytes of storage, which gives it a better value proposition against the 32 gigabyte $329 iPad. The 256 gigabytes iPad mini costs $149 more, at $549, and that price to storage upgrade pattern also looks to continue. iPad mini 6 display. While the iPad mini 6 is tipped to be roughly the same size as its predecessor, on rumor claims that the next iPad mini could have an 8.4-inch screen. That would be a decent increase over the 5th generation iPad mini's 7.9-inch screen. Furthermore, a supply chain report has the iPad mini 6 tipped to use a mini LED display as seen in the 12.9-inch iPad Pro 2021. By using a mini LED display over a traditional LCD panel, the iPad mini 6 could deliver better brightness, contrast and colors over the rather nice retinal display on the current compact Cupertino slate. Specs. New iPad mini 6 will be powered by the A14 Bionic chip, the same processor found in the iPhone 12 lineup. In addition, the Lightning port could be replaced by USB-C, and the iPad mini May 6 offer optional 5G. A previous post at the Chinese tech site, mydrivers.com, when passed through Google Translate suggests that the iPad mini 6 will feature an A13 processor, which makes sense as an upgrade from the A12 Bionic chips in the iPad mini 5. Newer but very much unofficial renders of the iPad mini 6 have hinted that the compact tablet could come in a suite of new colors, adding a pastel green, blue and pink to the classic spacey gray and silver colors of previous iPad minis. There's not hint of a rose gold model, however. The renders also give us a good look at what design the iPad mini 6 could sport. Going off the rumor so far, it effectively looks like a smaller version of the latest iPad Air 2020, with slimmer bezels than the iPad mini 5, and no home button. iPad mini 6 outlook. The iPad mini 6 leaks, and rumors suggest that Apple is set to unleash one of the best small tablets yet. We're all for smaller bezels, a bigger display and more power, and having Touch ID support would be welcome, and we will not be said to see Lightning go. So guys, this was all known information at the moment. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, click to bell. Siri was with you.